All right, so we're ready for production. Now I got a three-way tip for you, okay? So today's tip, we're gonna first talk about the range of the platens. One of the cool things about the ROQUS is you have a lot of range when it comes to your platen placement. So one thing I always try to stress is making sure that we're not printing seams on the platen, okay? So for this test print, we have the seam and the collar up on the platen. We wanna make sure that we are printing with collar off, so it's the smoothest possible surface when we are printing, okay? So one thing we're gonna do to make that easy for us is we're gonna turn our lasers on, all right? We're gonna set our first laser to be where the top of the print is, okay? The second laser is going to be set to where we want the actual print itself, okay? So we got our top laser here. Usually want 4 fingers for this one. So I'm gonna put my 4 fingers right here. Try to get that as straight as I can just for palette placement, okay? Now that my lasers are set up, I can remove the shirt. And then I'm gonna simply just unlock this and see where I need to go. So if you notice, I'm still a little short. So I'll lift it to the next section, pull it back. I got my laser on my thing and I'm locked in and I'm good to go. Now, once we've done this, we know that we can simply print with collar off. It's gonna be easier to load too. You have that nice guide. The next part of it is making sure that we have all platens in the same position, especially on a nice P12 like this. The last thing we want is to have our location of the print in all different areas throughout the print run, right? So the next step to make this easier is we're gonna go and we're gonna make sure we put our foot pedal into pause, okay? Now that our foot pedal's into pause, we're gonna safely grab our foot pedal, pull it out here so we're away from that, all right? And we're gonna hit start, okay? We're gonna make sure it's ready. I gotta rehome the press. Okay. And I'm gonna hit start in auto. Suspend. Turn my flash off, I don't need that. All right. It's gonna index over. So I'm gonna put my foot on the foot pedal to hold the press from going anywhere. And you'll notice I need to now move this platen forward. Step, move back to here, lock in, good to go, right? And all I'm doing is lifting my foot off the foot pedal when I'm done, so I can put these in the proper place, lock them in, and on to the next thing. Now let's really speed things up here. And just like that, all our platens are in the proper position with the best setup to give us the smoothest print possible. So add that to your arsenal, keep on rocking.